warm good morning to all my lovely students of Sri Gokulam Public School. This is Nidha ma'am with you, and we are into an English revision class. In today's class, we will be revising the grammar topic voice. Okay, and let us quickly go through the rules of voice, active voice, how it is being changed into passive voice. So without wasting much time, I'm getting into the rules of changing active voice into passive voice. So we already said that when you are changing from active voice to passive voice, important points to be noted is that in the passive voice, the object of the active voice becomes the subject, and the subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. Then the verb is always written in the past participle form. Also, the word by is added before the object in the passive voice. So these were some general rules which is applicable for all tense forms which we had discussed earlier. Now let us quickly go into the tenses, how each tense forms is being changed into passive voice. So the first one is that simple present tense, as it is being given over here. They speak German in Austria. So simple present tense, when it is being changed into passive voice, the verb is, are, or am will be added along with the passive voice verb which is in the past participle form. So speak will change into is spoken according to the subject in the given sentence. Present continuous tense, are planting or is planting will change into is or are. The verb being is added along. So is or are being planted by them. Okay, here by is not given in the example, but it has to be added over there. Present perfect tense, someone has eaten my muffin. So again, with perfect tenses, has been, the verb been will be added. So has eaten my muffin will change into my muffin has been eaten, has or have been eaten. Past tense, again it is very easy to remember. Simple past tense will change into past participle form with was or were. Okay, then past continuous tense, he was not feeding his dogs, the dogs were not being fed with him. So continuous tenses will have being and perfect tenses will have been. So that is what we have to remember. Past tense, someone had put out the fire had been put out. Okay, simple future tense, they will fine you for littering, you will be fined. So the word be is added over there in the case of future tense. Now let us go through some exercises so that it is easy for you to understand. So similar exercises will be given for your exam, so you can just go through it. I make cakes every week. So what is the thing to be noted over here? Make. Now make, when you are changing it into, this is in simple present tense. So when you are changing it into passive voice, what has to be added? Is or are has to be added. Then make will change into past participle form, that is made. So just look at the answer. In this answer, where that is or are made is coming, that is the correct answer. So here the last one, cakes are made by me every week. So that is the correct answer. She found her watch. Okay, found is past tense. So past, simple past tense. So it will be was or were found. Okay, so that is the answer. So the second one is the answer. Her watch was found by her. Next one, they haven't stamped the letter. Now have is present tense. Now present tense, what are you adding? Has or have plus been is being added, and the verb is in the past participle form. So has or have been, that is the word which we have to look over here. Now in this option where it is coming, the second one. So the letter hasn't been stamped by them. So that is the correct answer. The fourth one. The government has called out the troops. Now has called out, again has or have, when it is coming you have to remember that in the passive voice the answer will be has or have plus been plus verb. Okay, has or have plus been plus verb in the past participle form. So where is the word been over here? Troops has been called out is there and have been called out, both are there. Now troops means it is plural, so it is have, so that is the correct answer over there. Okay, the next one, he met me yesterday. Met, it is a simple past tense. Simple past tense, just remember was or were. First one itself, I was met by him yesterday. Next, some boys were helping the wounded man. Now, helping. Helping means it is continuous tense. Continuous tense means what? You have to add being over there. So, was or were, being. Which is the answer showing being over there? The second one. The wounded man was being helped by some boys. That is the correct answer. He will finish the work in a fortnight. So, will, wherever you see the word will or shall, it has to be changed into will be. Be is the key word to remember over there. In this, the first one itself is the answer. The work will be finished by him in a fortnight. Next one. Are you understanding, my children, how to look out for answers? If there is a has or have in your question, then in your answers look out for has or have been and verb in the past participle form. Been is the word to look out over there. If your verb is in the ing form, then being is the word to look out for in your answer. If there is no has or have, if the verb is not in ing form, it is in a simple present tense or a past tense form, then it will be either is or are or was or were according to the tense of the question. So this is how you will identify your answers in the exam. I have invited someone to the party. Have. Come on. What is the word for there? Been. Okay. So someone, now here there are two been is there. Okay. Someone has been invited by me to the party. Someone had been. Now here question is have. So answer will also come in has or have form. If the question is had, then answer will also be had. Okay. That is what you need to remember. So the first one is the correct answer. The Romans expected to conquer Egypt. Expected. So was or were. It was expected by the Romans that they will conquer Egypt. Now will and all we don't need it over here. So it is the correct one. So the second answer is the correct one. It was expected by the Romans to conquer Egypt. Next, they will have finished their work by 10. Their work will have been finished by them by 10. Heavy rainfall damaged the crops. Crops were damaged. Okay, was or were plus verb in the past participle form. Were damaged. Next one, Ali had given him a present. He had, see, had means had been. He had been given a present by Ali. Gotten is wrong. Okay, there is no word like gotten. That is wrong English. We are playing cricket. Cricket is being played by us. Okay, very simple. Now I hope you have understood what needs to be done. So with this, I am concluding today's class. More exercises will be done in the next class. So till we meet again, it's farewell from Nida ma'am. Have a wonderful day and study hard. Be good children.